I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And guess what? I'm going to help you knock out 100 reps in under 2 minutes. But before we get started, make sure you like, make sure you share. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this awesome and amazing channel. And also get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. If you're trying to be FUPA free with the K to the C, there's no FUPA I can't get rid of. And that's what we're going to do. So let me knock out 100 reps with you. And we're just going to break it up, okay? So your first move, you're going to grab your knees. Boom. You're going to be here. Boom. We're going to knock out 25 reps. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Get to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you made 25, put 25 in the comment section for me, please. Now, all you're going to do now, you're going to give me 50 bicycles. Boom, just like that. In 4, 3, 2, 1, give me 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Boom! If you knocked out 50, say me, coach, or put 50 in the comment section. So that's 75 reps now. To knock it all out, bring it home, boom, be here. 25. 3, 2, 1, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! That's 100 reps in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And again, get the Super Stomach Shredder membership now.